South Africans have been fascinated and puzzled by this weird cloud formation where you can see a sharp cut between the cloud and sky overhead. We can also see this dry slot clearly on our satellite loop, and these clouds are known as stratiform clouds. And basically, when you look up, you're seeing the distinct boundary between wet air and moist air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. So what's causing all of these weird cloud formations and rain in the eastern areas? Let's look at the forecast. To be honest, there's a lot going on the synoptic analysis, so I've highlighted some of the main weather systems influencing South Africa. And we've got this strong high pressure system southeast of the country, as well as this coastal low that's transporting warm, moist air over the eastern areas. And then we've got this Atlantic high pressure system and reaching high that's transporting cold air over the eastern areas, forming this stationary front where it's been cloudy and cold with rain showers on and off over the eastern areas of South Africa. On Thursday, we're expecting more showers along the eastern escarpment, as well as in parts of the Lowveld and Limpopo, and yet again a slight chance of light rain falling in Gauteng, as well as the high veld of Mpumalanga. Morning drizzle expected over the southern coast. It's foggy at first on Thursday morning in the Western Cape, with especially thick fog expected over the central areas, as well as along the coast 18 later in Cape Town and Hermanus. This includes Swellendam and Laingsburg. Foggy at first in Beaufort West, Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, later peaking at a high of 17 degrees. A westerly wind blowing along the southern coastline with 18 in Gqeberha. Foggy patches also expected in the Eastern Cape on Thursday morning. Most of the showers remaining offshore, a southwesterly wind blowing between East London and Port St John's with a high of 19 degrees. In KwaZulu-Natal, it's mostly cloudy at first, a slight chance of drizzle over the coastal areas. Later partly cloudy with 23 degrees in Pietermaritzburg, 22 in Ladysmith, as well as Durban. Foggy patches at first and cloudy in Mpumalanga. We're expecting light showers in parts of the Lowvelds and rain spreading along the eastern escarpment, only 15 degrees in eMakazeni. A cloudy day for Limpopo with light showers on and off on Thursday, only 20 degrees in Polokwane, most of the rain falling along the eastern escarpment. It's a mainly sunny day for northwest, but partly cloudy skies expected over the eastern areas after a cold day in Potchefstroom, peaking at a high of 20 degrees. Icy cold on Thursday morning in Sutherland with a low of -4 degrees. A southerly wind blowing along the coast and lots of sunshine expected in the Northern Cape. Some high-level cloud expected to move over the Free State on Thursday, peaking at a high of 21 in Bloemfontein, 2 degrees at first in Bethlehem, and later a high of 20. Lots of cloud overhead in Gauteng, a slight chance of light rain, and only 17 degrees the afternoon in Johannesburg. And then on Friday, that reaching high will push in more cloud and cold conditions with showers over parts of Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and this includes Gauteng. And then later on Friday, overnight into Saturday, cold front making landfall, spreading showers into the Western Cape. And this weekend, showers expected to move along the southern coastline, as well as over parts of the Eastern Cape. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.